It's no surprise how avocados add delicious flavor and texture to recipes, from guacamole to avocado toast.
But did you know they're quite impressive when it comes to their nutritional contributions as well?
Just 1/3 an avocado provides over 20 vitamins and minerals, including being a good source of fiber, folate, and vitamin K.
Avocados also contain carotenoids, which are protective plant compounds studied for their role in eye health.
Whether celebrating a special occasion or just having dinner with family, explore new and exciting ways to enjoy avocados in dishes from sweet to savory.
For example, this delicious, creamy, dark chocolate avocado mousse topped with fresh berries.
Or fresh tomato avocado salsa to pair with your favorite tortilla chips.
For more avocado inspirations, visit bigY.com.
Until next time, be well.